For months, rumors have been swirling about Samsung cooking up a Galaxy S25 Slim. Turns out that's not quite the name, but the device is real. Samsung officially teased it at Unpacked, revealing its actual name, Galaxy S25 Edge. While it wasn't launched alongside the rest of the S25 lineup, it's set to arrive later this year. And from what we know so far, it sounds like an absolute engineering marvel. Word on the street is that the S25 Edge is thinner than 6.4 millimeters, making it at least 10% slimmer than the standard Galaxy S25. To top it off, it might feature a titanium frame, just like the Ultra model. Under the hood, we're looking at a 4,000 mAh battery with 25 watts fast charging and a down-tuned version of the Snapdragon 8 Elite with 7 CPU cores. This isn't your typical fan edition variant. Samsung is clearly aiming for a premium, high-end feel. It's refreshing to see Samsung take a bold leap again. Let's be real, recent flagship releases have felt a little predictable, with mostly incremental upgrades. But this actually feels new and exciting. So, what about the cameras? Initial rumors claimed a 200-megapixel primary camera, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 50-megapixel telephoto. Turns out that's not quite right. A more recent leak suggests the S25 Edge will pack a 200-megapixel primary shooter like the S25 Ultra, but a 12-megapixel ultra-wide like the S25 Plus. It's also said to feature Corning's Gorilla Glass Victus 2 for extra durability. Of course, take these rumors with a grain of salt. The leaker's track record is a little hit or miss, but one thing we can confirm: that 200-megapixel camera is happening, which is a massive leap from the usual 50-megapixel sensors we've been stuck with. So, what do you think about the upcoming Galaxy S25 Edge? Is Samsung finally bringing back the wow factor? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, take care.